Hello everyone, this is GK, looking rather barefaced. 48 hours ago, I was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia, which is a cancer of the bone marrow. The next 6 months are going to be the hardest of my life, but, I can do it. I can do it.
When you're young, people say you've got your whole life ahead of you, but I don't think you actually consider that you might not. You start panicking that, you've not got any time left. It was absolutely my saving grace that Teenage Cancer Trusts were so present in my cancer journey. On the worst day of my life, I was made to somehow feel at home.
Teenage Cancer Trusts are the only charity in the UK that are there to support young people with cancer aged 13 to 24. Thanks to the support of our partner Domino's and their incredible customers who donate to us at checkout, we can continue to support over 7,000 young people with cancer every year. It might only feel like a really small amount, but actually those micro donations have already raised for us just under £7 million. So those small donations really do make a huge difference.
It means a huge amount for me to work for a company that supports Pennies and supports our chosen charities in this way. It makes me feel like it's a company that means so much more than, selling pizza and doing the right thing commercially. It's a company that wants to give back, to these people who really make the lives of those teenagers and their families just that little bit better.
We'd like to say a huge thank you to our partner Domino's and their incredible customers who are helping us to ensure that no young person faces cancer alone.
Your support means that Teenage Cancer Trust can continue to help young people like myself through a really difficult journey. They're a very, very, very special charity and I'm so grateful to them.